We'll guide you through how to convert MKV to MP4 using FFmpeg. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make absolutely sure you already have the FFmpeg command line tool installed and recognized by your computer. Open your File Explorer and create a brand new folder to keep your files neatly organized. Move or copy the specific MKV video file that you actually want to convert directly into this newly created folder. Right-click on your MKV video file, select the rename option, and safely change its name to Input MKV to avoid any typing errors later. Click directly on the directory path located in the address bar at the very top of your File Explorer window. Carefully highlight the existing text, type CMD directly into the address bar, and firmly press Enter on your keyboard. This specific action will automatically launch a black command prompt window, perfectly targeted at your current active folder location. To begin the active conversion process, type FFmpeg --i input.mkv and add a space. This explicitly tells the tool to read your MKV file. Next, we clearly need to instruct FFmpeg to completely copy the exact video and audio quality entirely without losing any data. Accurately type -codec copy and smoothly add a space. This is a crucial command that makes the active conversion extremely fast because it securely does not re-encode the active video. Finally, correctly type the desired name for your brand new file format, exactly such as output.mp4 today. Carefully check your active terminal screen to properly ensure the complete command exactly looks like this. FFmpeg --i input, mkv -codec copy output.mp4. Firmly press Enter directly on your computer keyboard to successfully execute the conversion process. Because we are only actively swapping the standard file container from MKV straight to MP4, the scrolling text directly in the active terminal should seamlessly finish its designated job in just a few short seconds. Once the rapid scrolling completely stops and the active terminal successfully returns directly to the standard default typing prompt, the conversion is absolutely completely finished. Safely close the command prompt window, completely return to your File Explorer, and confidently double-click your brand new output, the MP4 file, to clearly watch your successfully converted video.